Are you a beauty industry leader looking to scale your business to multiple six figures? If so, then you and I need to have a conversation. My name is Marshea Mayfield, and I help beauty industry leaders make and maintain multiple six figures in their business, working less than 50 to 60 hours per week. The same feeling, the same satisfaction that you receive when you make your clients feel beautiful, when you give them confidence and when you give them hope, is the way I feel when I help you to maintain those six figures. What I want to do is to position you that you can up-level your business. You may be the person that's looking to walk from behind the chair. You may be the person saying, I'm ready to take a 2-week vacation. But as of now, your business is not allowing you to do so. So I want you to not only, guys, walk the part, not look the part, but I want you to be the part. I want your bank account to be in alignment with what you do. I have a free gift just for you guys to help position you and take you to the next level. Click the link below, and I'm sure it will support you.